What's up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today I'm just bringing you a quick little tip from an everyday driver. You know, for if you drive your own car, if you drive cars, my tip is just do this every now and then. I just happened to open up my hood and notice these kind of stains right here. They look like water stains to me, right? So I started checking. Okay, I was a little bit low on coolant. My car was not overheating at all, but I was a little bit low on coolant, and I see these water stains here. So this is telling me, okay, I have a water leak somewhere. Somewhere's popping off a little bit of water leak. So I started looking around, and lo and behold, can you guys see that bubble right there? This hose is about to burst. You should never see a bubble like this. I went ahead and ordered one from Chevy. Here it is. That is the part number. I'll probably put a link on Amazon right there in the bottom. You guys, I'm not sure if you're ever gonna have to replace that one hose just like I did. I have to. But it's just a good tip to every now and then. Just kind of open up your hood. I also noticed right here it's a little bit more dirty than everywhere else. So I went ahead and ordered a new cap. This is an aftermarket. We'll see how it goes. If I'm not comfortable with it, then I'll just go ahead and order a factory one. But I think the gasket on the cap, I think it's bad, or it was bad. So I went ahead and ordered one. Entire cap. So I'm going to replace that. I replaced that. But just my biggest tip is, you know, every now and then, check under your hood. If you see stuff like this, a bubble on a coolant hose, yeah, that's a big no-no. Gotta replace that. Here's the coolant hose. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see the hole right there on the inside, but it busted on the inside. And look at this right here. That's crazy. Alright guys, and that's today's tip for today. Like I said, it's just every now and then, open up your hood, see what you see regular, see what you see different, see any stains, water stain, coolant stains, dirt stains, oil stains. Even if it's not overheating, if you don't hear any weird noises, every now and then, check under your hood. It helps out. You know, you can prevent stuff that might happen to you later. Because just like this one, this thing could have busted in the highway or anything like that. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me to share the channel. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.